a secret ingredient for your spring kitchen, unlocking the power of gray shallots. Imagine a small, fragrant bulb that can transform your culinary creations and ensure a flavorful spring season ahead. As the days grow shorter and the air turns crisp, there's a narrow opportunity to plant a culinary treasure, the gray shallot. This unassuming bulb, with its silvery skin and unique flavor profile, is a chef's delight and a garden's hidden gem. But here's where it gets controversial. Many gardeners miss this crucial window, and their kitchens suffer for it. The gray shallot, a rare find in supermarkets, offers a depth of flavor that elevates any dish. Its scarcity makes it a prized addition to any garden, especially for those who love to cook. With a simple planting now, you can ensure a steady supply of this aromatic ingredient, ready just as spring menus call for a boost. The power of gray shallots, a deep dive. Gray shallots, with their subtle violet blush, are the unsung heroes of classic cuisine. Their flavor is a delicate balance, deeper and more refined than their red or pink counterparts. Imagine the versatility. From early spring salads to slow-cooked braises, a few rows of these alliums can transform your pantry. One planted bulb can yield a cluster of 4 to 8 new bulbs, a true harvest's bounty. Plant now, and by late spring, you'll have a fragrant reward, just in time for those lighter, brighter meals. The autumn window, seize the opportunity. Late October to early November is a critical period. The soil is still warm enough for roots to establish, but delay and you risk cold, waterlogged ground that can stunt growth. Early rooting sets the stage for a successful winter and a vibrant spring. Soil and site, drainage is key. Gray shallots hate standing water. Choose a sunny spot with light, well-drained soil. Sandy loam is ideal, but for heavy clay, some simple amendments can help. Lift the bed, add coarse sand and mature compost, and create ridges to channel winter rain. The goal is a crumbly, well-aerated soil that doesn't clump. Planting method, get it right. Spacing, 10 to 15 centimeters between bulbs, 25 to 30 centimeters between rows for airflow. Depth, just below the surface, covered by 2 to 3 centimeters of soil. Orientation, tip pointing up, nose intact. Finish, lightly firm the soil, no heavy watering needed in damp conditions. Keep bulbs near the surface. Deep planting can delay emergence and reduce yields. Common pitfalls, avoid these mistakes. Planting too deep leads to slow sprouting and potential rot. Choosing shady spots encourages disease and weak growth. Ignoring drainage results in cold, wet soil, a shallot's worst nightmare. Damaging the tip, the growth point, can stunt development. Aftercare, nurturing your bulbs. Rooting boosters, lightly rake the soil around rows to prevent capping. If the season is dry, a gentle watering can settle soil around the base, but avoid oversaturating. Protection, a thin mulch of straw or dry leaves buffers temperature swings and reduces splashback. In colder regions, use fleece over hoops on the coldest nights, but remove as growth resumes to prevent damp stems. Winter and spring, what to expect. Early signs of success. By late winter, green shoots will pierce the mulch. Upright, steady leaves indicate healthy rooting. Browning tips or stunted growth often signal saturated soil. Gently ease compaction with a fork, keeping tines clear of the bulbs. Harvest time. Wait until foliage yellows and flops. Harvest, cure in a dry, airy shed for several days, then trim and store in a cool, ventilated place. Properly cured gray shallots retain their flavor and texture for months. Why gray shallots are worth the effort. Gray shallots offer a clean, savory bite, perfect for vinaigrettes, sauces, and roasted vegetables. Their scarcity in supermarkets makes a home crop a valuable asset. Cured bulbs store well, adding a punch to winter stews and weekday omelets without a last-minute shop. Kitchen ideas. Slice raw into endive and walnut salad with a sharp mustard dressing. Roast whole with thyme and butter to serve with chicken or cod. Sweat finely chopped bulbs for quiches, tarts, and pilafs. Pickle petite bulbs for a tangy, crunchy condiment. Extra tips. Rotate alliums yearly to prevent disease. Interplant with spring lettuce or lamb's lettuce to utilize space. Keep companions shallow-rooted to protect airflow. Avoid proximity to broad beans in wet sites. The payoff: a small patch, big rewards. A 3-meter row can yield 100 to 200 kitchen-ready shallots by late spring, covering months of culinary adventures. That's a lot of flavor for less than 2 supermarket nets. Plan B: heavy soil, cold climates, or balconies. Raised beds and containers. Build a 20 to 25 centimeters high bed with a free-draining mix, loam, sand, compost, or choose deep containers with large drainage holes. Plant as you would in open ground, water sparingly in winter, and enjoy an early harvest in spring. Fast checklist: sunny spot, excellent drainage, shallow planting, light mulch, and a 3-year rotation. Follow these steps, and spring will reward you with a fragrant, flavorful harvest.